think you'd all agree that self-reflection is good for our well-being. But there comes a point that we can't think our way into balance. At a certain point, the self-reflection, the self-analysis starts to run us in circles in our mind, and we come to a state of analysis paralysis. So ideally, before you get to that state, shift your reflection from your mind into your body. So the body is an anchor into the present. And no matter what situation we find ourselves in, if we're breathing and taking time to be still, we're going to get a different perspective on what's really going on. So here's an example. People that come to me often have a little bit of like the new age thinking. For example, like someone who's tight in the shoulders may be aware, oh, I have burdens that I'm carrying. What should I release to help my shoulders? There's kind of an idea that shoulders may be about burdens, or pain in the knees or the feet may be about some kind of fear of moving forward. But we need to get beyond the colloquial notions of what this might mean into the actual embodied sensation, because it's really just so different, and that's what will free up that energy when we feel it and access it through the body. So it's a different orientation, but I find, both for myself and the people that I'm working with, the mind has all kinds of agendas about, what it thinks we ought to be doing, and it's rarely right in terms of, what's most relevant to move forward right now. So I encourage you to move into a more embodied approach in whatever it is you're dealing with, and see how that works for you.